Alrighty, let's see if this thing's working. So I'm going to do a video with this little GoPro guy. Videoing myself through the screen. But, anyway, so we have the speakers in the box. Still need to put the upper port brace on that goes across this piece here, as you see. But this camera has a wide angle, so I can kind of move it around and stuff. Go through some of the fades, I guess. So I did the port. It's actually copper color. I'm going to have copper stickers in here, Sundown stickers, so it should look pretty badass. Let me know what you guys kind of think. Still a lot to do. I can step out of here. So has to be done. Batteries on the charger at this moment. So anyway, you guys go.